So sometimes it's fun to listen that sound. Hello friends, I want to show that hard clutch in Hyundai's, in manuals, and maybe the case with IMT gears may have a different problem related to the hard clutch, which is not known directly. Maybe the clutch actuator kind of thing in those IMTs, and in manual the hard clutch problem is there in Hyundai's. So I have rectified my hard clutch with the same set of clutch and all the clutch sets. Earlier the same hardwares were hard and now they are butter light and smooth. So this happened due to the modification I did in the silencer muffler. So the back pressure is very critical for the clutch torque delivery. This is the main thing. Also at the same time, I would like to show the mileage after that tank full, what I'm getting. So this is the accumulated info since last couple of days after the tank full in the city drive. So you can see 421 kilometers after that tank full and 271 still left, and around 15 kmpl, and with the engine running time is showing like 21 hours something. So 271 kilometers still left. Earlier during the tank full it showed 710 total range to empty. So now this is there. So efficiency wise, mileage wise, that modification is also helping me, and that overall I'm feeling great that I did that modification in the silencer. Earlier one time the silencer clutch set got replaced under warranty. The second time they replaced it under warranty with the same hard clutch issues, and now I decided I won't go for that third time clutch replacement because it was not helping in reality. Just in a month's time after the new clutch set, the clutch became hard. So this time I took things in my hand and I researched with the help of ChatGPT. I saw the OBD data. And now this is the result, that the clutch is butter smooth now, and mileage is also good, pickup is good. So only thing is that there is a slight changes in the silencer exhaust tip and the muffler to achieve this. So this some valve I have placed, a kind of a controlled restriction, and the muffler being made almost straight through, kind of, as its hole size I have increased inside that muffler. So I'll try to make you listen the sound. The sound increase, whistle sound a little bit increases while accelerating. So sometimes it's fun to listen that sound. Remaining other stuffs are pretty cool, pretty normal. So everything is normal. There's no change